crap, we back. Cave. Look at that beautiful cave.
The fucking server name. I'm never gonna change it.
Alright. Oh, I need to eat. I need to heal. I need to eat food.
Oh yeah, I'm like half hunger. Where'd our okay, our fire is here. Wasn't lit. I guess we just left.
Yeah.
I have a rabbit I wanna put on there. Nice.
A couple interesting items.
A hand on.
Hungry, dude. I'm hungry. Yeah, no, I love that we can just chill out here, though. Dude, honestly, I'm gonna be. This is so dead ass, bro. I can't wait for. Here, dude, your food's ready. Oh, I need medicine. I'm about to die. Eating people is not as fruitful as it used to be. Fuck. Whoa, hey! Hey!
Oh,
hey!
shit. Oh shit, they're running up behind the house.
You're gonna get my food.
She's fucking attacking the house. Her tits are out, dude. The big guy's coming around. We have to start building a base. That's our
walls. Oh! I got no health.
Go in the house. He's got CD necklace.
I'm eating food. I died. I ate food and died. I ate food. I can spin around now.
Can you crawl?
No, I can spin around now. You spin me round, baby, right round like a record.
Getting you up, getting you up.
Oh, I got right down. She hit me.
The chick needs to die.
God damn, there's so much editing we gotta do because of her.
Oh shit.
Give it up. I just hear fucking.
I'm pushing him in the fire. Yeah, you dumb asshole.
Let's go.
Oh shit.
Let's go. Let's go, Blake. Let's go, Blake.
Wait, how'd you get down again?
She punched me as soon as I got up. I was in animation stun. It's getting cold. It's getting cold.
I can see Jesus. Oh, I think that was just myself. If I eat this, will I die?
Oh, I'm getting cold too. What are you eating? There's another one.
I don't even know what to deal with.
Ah!
What's up? Where's he at?
Right outside. There's pills on the shelf inside.
I got him.
It's too cold.
I killed him. I grab it. We can make a campfire closer to here too.
Yeah.
Do you
when it becomes day? Do you wanna build a base at the top of the hill so we can defend it easier?
Yeah.
I don't think it will burn down the house. I just like glitching the fuck out.
I'm not about to die yet.
Oh, I didn't mean to put meat in there.
No, I can't drink it now.
No!
My guy's about to die of
No!
thirst, bro. Fuck.
Here, take this. I was trying to put it on the fire. I had to move my mouse a little more.
You're good, dude.
Well, now we have a stew going.
Where's that guy's dead body at?
Oh, I put them all on the fire. Oh, there's a guy. Why can't we sleep? Why is it so fucking dark?
There's rocks.
It's not putting you out. What? The bonfire just broke.
Double the fire, double the problems. Yes,
Ooh,
for the time
lizard.
being.
It's in our house. I got it.
Nice. Oh shit!
Yeah, we gotta build some defenses.
Yeah, get fucked.
I made a torch, and I feel like it is harder to see. You see the fire up here? Like from down there?
Oh, that's beautiful.
Did you just knock down a tree?
Yep.
Okay, I was like... I thought a tree ant or some shit was coming for me. Our water and hunger definitely gets drained faster than on normal too.
Dude, the health is not regenerating like really whatsoever.
I drank some booze. That refilled me a little. The log cabin requires 82 fucking logs, dude. Did we do it?
We did that. Yeah.
Just remember that the trees falling destroys shit. Yep. I'm gonna juggle this third one. Can I? Yeah. Dude, I juggled the third log over here. That's crazy. You get to like spin and shit.
I bring this up there too. Ugh.
It's a full cart.
I heard a yell, I heard a yell, I heard a yell. Yep, she's out there.
Fuck him. Oh fuck.
Oh, they're close.
Oh, I see him. She climbed up a fucking tree! I just saw her climb up a fucking tree. Bro! Yeah, let him up.
Oh, get fucked. How the fuck is this?
Oh, headshots do so much damage.
Yep.
Hell yeah. Done. And you can't just walk up the stairs, you have to jump up. Off to a good start.